When the ASR engine is started, I started to write on the right hand side the notes during my consecutive interpretation, and on the left you can see the ASR text coming out on top, and then below there that's the real-time AI translation as a reference. So if you notice that on the right hand side in the notes section there is a pause sign, and that is when the floor speaker has finished his sentence, then you can actually press the pause, and when that happens, you can start to interpret while everything is scroll back to the top, where it's where the floor speaker starts. You can see the timestamp on top for 3 sections, and I think you can see that there is a time code, timestamp in there, and that's where you started the interpretation. While you are interpreting, okay, so you can see it's going back, and while you're interpreting, you can use your left hand to scroll the ASR section, um, and you can see the right hand side. You can use your right hand to scroll. And when you're scrolling the ASR result, the translation result at the left bottom will go accordingly, so you will get the reference. Um, this is perhaps like 3 sections moving together, but you basically get your own notes, your memory, and the ASR results, as well as any reference translation for the ASR result. Just in case if you don't have anything, you can refer to don't know the vocabulary, you can refer to that, and then you press the pause button again, and you see now it restarts. All right. So now is the floor speaker speaking, and what you have interpreted, your voice were not recorded and shown in the left hand side. Okay, so now you started to take notes again on the right hand side while listening to the floor speaker. And so the floor speaker's voice is being transcribed, and there is real time translation following that at the bottom left hand corner. And so after the floor speaker is finished with this sentence, then you can click on the pause button again and start your interpretation.